This time explains how to use the index keys on the THD2000 series inclinometer. This is a way to set the angle to 0 when there is a slope. The circular one is the THD2000 series, and the square one is index key. If you want to set the current tilt angle to 0 degrees, place the index key, rotate it 90 degrees as you can see, and touch it 5 times according to the numbers on the label. If you want to return the 0-point position to the factory default position, rotate the index key 90 degrees as shown and touch it 5 times in the order indicated by the numbers. Finally, to summarize, the table is shown. Note that index keys are sold separately, so if you are interested, please contact your local distributor or dealer.